back to my channel. Today is tip Tuesday and today's tip is going to be about how to apply blush and highlighter properly so that there is not a clear visible stripe or strip of highlighter on your face. So for that, what generally happens is that the general rule of the steps, or whatever the general order of the steps goes, like first you apply blush and then you apply your highlighter. I used to do this all the time, but then after a while I changed it because I don't like too much of a highlighter. It does not look good on me. So what I used to do was I apply the highlighter first and then go on with the blush, so it's not that out there. It's not that what do you see what do you say like that prominent. So for that, on one side I will do the normal way of doing it, and on one side I will do the opposite of what I usually used to do. On this side I will do how I used to do my blush and highlighter, and on this side I will do the new way I started doing it. So the blush that I'm taking is the Forever 52 RB004. It's a beautiful pink peach blush. It's like a mix of both, which I love. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush like this and I will apply the blush wherever I used to. And then I have the habit of joining it to the eyes so that it looks natural. So I applied the blush, and then next I'll get the highlighter. For the highlighter, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Precious Petals Megaglo highlighting powder. This is my favorite. So I'm just taking a small fluffy brush like this and just dip the brush in it and then apply it on the high points. Now this is done. Now if you were to see it from side, you can make out that this is where the highlight is and this is where the blush is. So I don't like that anymore. On this side I will use the highlighter first. You can use this brush also to apply the highlighter first. I will take a fluffier brush like this and then apply it like this. See, I've applied it so that there's like ऐसे line नहीं आ जाएगा सीधा highlighter का. It will be more dispersed, like हाँ पूरे एरिया में सही से आपको लगेगा. ये नहीं कि मतलब एक ही जगह पे highlight हो रहा है. I've taken the same blush on this brush and then I will go on top of it with the blush. I will take 1 minute. Yeah, I will use a little bit more. And then join it. So this is how I apply blush right now and the highlighter in a reverse order. So here, see, the blush is here, the highlighter is right here, but here you get that nice glossy, not glossy but nice glowy look. Yeah, so this is today's tip. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, this is my new way of doing the blush and highlighter and I love it. It gives such a nice flush, plus it gives such a nice glow to the skin. It's not, it looks like it's coming from within. It's not makeup, but yeah, it looks beautiful. So do try this out and comment down below if you like this technique, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye, take care. Mwah.